In this video, I will discuss about a traditional Mexican dish, chilaquiles. So I will also discuss about what is chilaquiles. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video is going to be very informative. So please watch this video till the end. So let's start this video. So firstly, I will discuss about what is chilaquiles. Chilaquiles are a traditional Mexican breakfast dish consisting of a corn tortillas cut into quarters and lightly fried. It is a traditional dish that consists of lightly fried corn tortillas cut into quarters and simmered in a red or green salsa. This dish is a testament to the resourcefulness of Mexican cooking, making the most out of the simple, readily available ingredients. Red chilaquiles made with a tomato-based sauce, often incorporating dried red chilies. On the other hand, green chilaquiles made with a tomatillo-based sauce, which gives a tangy flavor. Chilaquiles are often associated with a comfort food and are a popular choice for breakfast or brunch, especially after celebration or late night festivals. This dish is also a common offering in many Mexican households and restaurants, highlighting the diversity and adaptability of the Mexican cuisine. So friends, in this video I discussed about chilaquiles. I hope you have gained a very good information from this video. So finally in the end, if you found this video helpful, so please like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel because in my channel the videos of education related contents are always coming. Thank you.